Hello and welcome to Crafting with Tying Friends. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use my drip lip team SVG. That's what we're going to call it. So once you purchase and download your files, it will come with two teams and an outline with the teeth. So it will come in a zip file. So you want to unzip your file. So you right click, extract all, or something that would say unzip. Click that, extract. Once you get your folder extracted, you should be able to upload your images into Design Space or into Silhouette Studio or whatever program you're using. So you want to have that program open and you want to upload your images into your software. Everyone should know how, oh, excuse me guys, my computer just did something weird, but everyone should know how to upload their images into their software, but I'm still going to go over how I upload mine into Space as soon as my computer acts right. So once you get your new canvas open, you want to click upload, and then you're going to browse and locate where your file is saved at. Just give this thing a minute to act right. So we're going to click upload image, browse, and then you're going to find the folder with your design. So mine is here. I am going to open and I'm going to insert the drip lip outline. If you get a message like this, just hit continue and it will pull in your image here, your lips, your teeth, and these are just registration marks, so you are able to line up your teeth and lips perfectly. So when you're pressing it or when you're layering it on a cup, etc. So just hit save. So once it's saved, it'll come in like this. As you can see, I saved the outline a few times. You don't need to save it but one time. I'm going to delete these other ones. So now you want to go back to upload images, and now you want to upload your lip fills. So your file should come with two lip fills. That's how I'm currently uploading them to my site, is with two teams. So we're going to upload the cowboys and we're going to click open. Then we're going to click complex and continue. You don't need to do anything here but hit continue. And you want to save it as a print then cut image, not a cut image. So make sure this is selected, and you can change the file name if you want and hit save. Once your image is saved, it will be here. As you can see, I have two of them here. So we want to upload these to our mat. So what we're going to do is, well, to our canvas, what we're going to do is select the outline in the drip fill. And we're going to hit insert image. Bring those images to our canvas. Usually they come in size exactly how you need them. Sometimes you may have to adjust it a little bit. Don't worry about your drip being black because you are cutting this out on your HTV, so you can cut it in glitter or whatever, etc. Glitter, whatever color you're going to use, whatever color is on your mat, that will be the color of your lip outline in your drip. So as you can see, this is actually a little too big, so I'm going to size down, and I'm just going to adjust it how I need it. And I'm going to move this to the back so I can see and as you can see, my lips are ready to go. You can change this just in case you're a visual person and you want to see exactly how it's going to be. So this is how it looks when you send it to your mat to be cut. So this is a print file, so you'll print this and you'll cut. This is your white, so this is your teeth and your registration marks for layering it. And this is your lips. So the way I will layer this is I'll press my print to cut first, and then I will press my outline, and then I will press my teeth on top of that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you with my files. Any questions, you feel free to ask, like, subscribe. Thank you.